video, I will going to cook pork adobo with pineapple. So of course, we need a pineapple tidbits. I'm going to use pineapple tidbits. So let's start. Now let's pour our pineapple juice into our pork. We're going to marinate our pork with our pineapple juice. So, mas maganda that the pork is totally submerged to our pineapple juice para talagang mas mababad po talaga siya. There you go. So, let's set it aside. And now, we are going to cut our onions and our garlic. So, we already chopped our onions. And then, I use the native garlic. So now, I'd already put some cooking oil on our frying pan and then it's already hot. So I will now going to let's wait until it's golden brown. So now it's already golden brown. We're going to put our chopped onions. So let's saute the onions and the garlic. This is my favorite, guys. This adobo. Pork adobo is my favorite. Kasi malasa. Papatuyuin ko po ito, guys, no? So now, our garlic is already golden brown. We're going to add our pork. So I've already removed it from the pineapple juice. So our pork belly is sliced into chunky cubes. We're going to stir it on a high flame. So we're going to cover it because we'll wait our pork to turn into brown. So let's cover it. We're going to mix it occasionally. Ooh. So now, as you see, the fat is already coming out from the pork. Now that the pork turned into brown, let's put our spices. 4 teaspoons of spices. So let's mix it all together so that the spices is well balanced to our meat. Now let's put our bay leaves. 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. Three tablespoons of vinegar. Now let's adjust into low heat fire. So the sauce is already thickened, so we are going to add our pineapple juice. So our pineapple juice helps to tenderize our meat. And then our oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oops. Then our pineapple. So the natural fats of the pork is coming out. The sauce is already thickened. So this is what I want. Let's check if the pork is already tender. Okay. Let's simmer it for about 5 minutes. Let's see, guys. Ooh. So let's check if our meat is already tender. Ooh, it's already tender. We're going to taste it. So now, our pork adobo.